What's going on YouTube? It's your boy TJ back again with another video. So if you're new to my video, make sure you subscribe. Also click the notification bell and make sure you stay tuned. But anyways, I'm about to get a new look to the back of the car. Yeah, that's good. All right, so yeah, we at Modfx. I'm gonna show you these cars right here they have. This is what they have up here so far. Rolling keys.
Late. You were late 30 minutes. Did everything already.
So as y'all know, I got the front headlights tinted, and I got the rear taillights tinted out. This is how it looks. The lights are on. Let me turn them off for 1 second. This is what the car looks like when the lights are off. Let me go around to the front, turn the lights off, and show you what it looks like. See, it looks more aggressive. Let me turn the lights back on. And there you go.
Yo, what are you doing?
Yeah, me bro, right, so I gotta kill this.
I was about to say.
Alright, like this, I'm just now leaving Modfx. But if y'all like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe for more. But peace out.